Hello dears, welcome back to our practical life area. Today we are going to do a new activity, nuts and bolts. Children, today we are going to work with the nuts and bolts. These are the nuts and bolts. Now I am going to show how to unscrew and screw the nuts and bolts. Watch me carefully. This is the main activity in practical life area. It helps the child to develop fine and motor skills, wrist and finger muscle development, visual discrimination, eye-hand coordination, and concentration, and so forth. We use these three fingers mainly in this activity. This is the pencil grips. It helps the child to um, prepare the child for reading and writing. Children, today we have worked with the nuts and bolts.